Welcome to the Easy Tech News channel. And, well, we have an announcement from Apple that will be doing a event on November 10th, 2020. So that's Tuesday of next week. Today we are Monday, November 2nd. And 10 a.m. Pacific, that's 1 p.m. Eastern. And it says one more thing. Please join us for a special Apple event from Apple Park. Watch it online at apple.com. So what we think is going to be in here is the first set of new ARM-powered Mac computers. We talked about it earlier this year that Apple was moving away from Intel slowly and wanted to create Apple MacBooks that would run on ARM. It, of course, is a homemade or an Apple-made ARM chip. But that, of course, was something that a lot of people thought, wow, okay. Going to be interesting to see what's coming up. It's going to be interesting to see how they run, what they run, how they run it. Battery life. I'm not been watching much Apple events lately for a very simple reason. Apple events have become rather boring in the past few years. But I think this one will be worth watching next week as we will see these new lines of Apple MacBooks on ARM and see how the performance is also. Are they as good in performance as any Intel Mac? We know that it's not just going towards ARM. We know that there's going to be kind of a mix of Intel and ARM MacBooks for a while. But this is coming. I think this is going to be an interesting event to watch next week. So November the 10th at apple.com, we'll be able to watch the future of the MacBooks with new ARM chips in them. So that was announced today. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.